So this right here is a WordPress website that was built on Namecheap shared hosting. And I just want to share my opinion on Namecheap shared hosting, just in case like you are considering it. First glance, I will just say I paid $17, I think, for a whole year with this. They also have a promotion at the time, so I was able to get 65% off my annual package. So I paid actually 65% off all the packages. So I got their shared hosting gear, and yeah, I got it for $17 here. So I just want to say that I didn't feel like they were trying to nickel and dime me. The initial cost of everything were $22, even after they gave me a 56% discount. And I was able to find another promo code that they had on their website that would give me 65% off. So the $22 that I was going to initially pay went down to $17. Yeah. So that's $17 for a full year. And then next year, with renewal of this hosting package, well, the shared hosting package, the next year it's going to be $44. So 17 now, 44 next year. And to be very honest with you, I think that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So I already set up this website here, and this website, I checked it. The speed is good. The setup was good. This itself looks good. And this is like an author website that I sort of took from a template and made this. So I haven't really done much to it, but the potential is here for this. Obviously, you see me use this. If I wanted to read more or read Kindle, everything is happening. The buttons, they're moving. I'm going to book section. It's moving. Look at this. This is moving. So my opinion of this is, if you want to try Namecheap shared hosting, go ahead, do it. I will leave a link in the description or the comments, but I'll also have any promo code that they have at the time. I will leave that there as well, so you can use it. Yeah, but this is personal. Like, this is good. I'm using it, but so far I'm really loving how this is working. It's working really good, and I will say I would really recommend it if you are considering getting Namecheap shared hosting. I would recommend it. I don't think it's something you're gonna regret. I think one thing I had with Namecheap when I thought about using them was the customer service, and that for me was solved the day when I actually sent them a message and customer service got back to me in less than 2 minutes. I was like, oh, so if this is working, then no problem. And that's what gave me the confidence to say, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and get their hosting. I actually didn't tell you this, but I've been a Namecheap customer since 2017. So since 2017, I had bought domains from them, and that's all I did up until like recent this year, where I decided to try their hosting. But I've always bought domain names from Namecheap. In fact, most of my domain names are from Namecheap, and over 6+ years they've been very reliable to me. So I can confidently say that I don't think there will be any bad experiences with the shared hosting plan that I have, and there haven't been. So there haven't been any problem with the shared hosting plan. I have no problem with doing business with Namecheap. I absolutely recommend them. And if you're considering to get the shared hosting plan that they have, go ahead. I actually made a video about this, going through how to set it up and things like that. So maybe you might find that helpful too. But if you are thinking about doing this, I recommend it.